you like what you see in this video, hit the subscribe button and leave some comments below on how you feel about what you get when you reach 1,000,000 miles with United Airlines. Have you ever asked yourself, what do you get when you fly 1,000,000 miles with United Airlines? Let's find out. But before we get started, in order to become a 1,000,000 miler with United Airlines, you have to fly 1,000,000 miles on United operated flights. That's what makes it a little bit harder than some of the other airlines' 1,000,000 miler programs. So if you fly on a partner airline like Lufthansa, it does not count. Once you reach 1,000,000 miles with United, you get Star Alliance Gold status for life, which is pretty cool. You don't have to reach your status every year to keep it. Also, you can pass that status on to somebody else. So I passed that status on to my sister. All right, let's take a look. I reached 1,000,000 miles with United in 2019, so this box has been around for a little while. That's why it has some wear and tear on it. You get your updated card, which has your current status, but it also says 1,000,000 miler on it. Then you get a personalized note from Oscar Munoz, who was the former CEO, just saying congratulations on flying 1,000,000 miles, but also explaining that you get Premier Gold status for life, which is pretty much the best part of this whole thing. Then you get this card in a case to put at your desk or whatever you want to do with it. Then you get these coasters. Each one of them has a different city. I'll probably never use these. So when you reach 1,000,000 miles with United, you get Star Gold status for life. When you reach 2,000,000 miles with United, you get Premier Platinum status for life, which really isn't that much better than Star Gold status. But when you reach 3,000,000 miles with United, you get 1K status for life. That's what I'm shooting for. Currently at 1.2 million miles. I hope this gives you a better idea of what you get when you become a 1,000,000 miler with United Airlines. Thank you for watching my video. If you like what you saw, subscribe and help my channel grow.